One of the questions I'm frequently asked is, how do I know if my dog or cat has a heart murmur? And the difficult part of that question is most pet owners won't know. It requires listening to their heart in a specific spot with a stethoscope, and so that's really something that your primary care veterinarian is going to identify. So routine scheduled appointments for rechecks and checkups with your primary care veterinarian are really important to identify a heart murmur early. And then from there, they can do appropriate diagnostic tests or recommend a consultation with a cardiologist to decide, is this a significant disease that's happening? Do we need to do anything about it? Are medications needed? Things like that. And that goes true for older dogs, puppies and kittens. Very important to have your vet listen thoroughly to them and follow any recommendations that your veterinarian has for follow-up and further diagnostics.